Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man, and I am back with another unboxing today for y'all. I know I just fucked it up, but anyways, before we get into this unboxing, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video. Friends, family, gang members, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do, and subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And again, do not like this shit here. This is fucking stupid, man. I don't like that shit, Nike. I know I ain't nobody yet, but y'all ain't paying attention to what the fuck I'm saying, or anybody, cause I ain't seen nobody that like that shit yet, honestly. And this shit be sitting on porches, and like they just drop the box off and run, like everybody chasing them down or something. But man, Nike, that's not what's up. But enough of talking about the box. Hold up. Receipt police, as y'all can see, this is from Nike's. That got this from the sneakers app, one on the draw, and these are, y'all already know which ones these is, man. The only ones that just came out recently. Paul George symbol right there, Nike swoosh on the side, Paul George 2s, the whole little galaxy vibe, and these are the PG 2.5 PlayStations. Colorway on this is wolf gray multicolor, retail price of $110. Got PG-13 signature right there. Go look at that tag real quick. Get this box open right here. And bling, blow, and burr on the shoes. Let me put this box down, man. I'm not doing no box review. Bling, blow, burr on the shoes, man. And honestly, I don't care what nobody's saying. I like these way better than the PS2 ones, the original, the black ones. So now, I have a lot more memories on the PlayStation. Like that was like one of my, that was like probably like my first system. I want to say that's like the system that I remember getting first. And then it was like, my brother had Segas and all that stuff, but you know, we weren't allowed to play his game. Ooh, that joint light up too. Okay, let me give you that full 360 look of the shoe. George on the back of that one. These fucking lit. And you gotta give a 360 of this one too, cause everything is kind of different on these shoes. PlayStation symbol on that one. You got Paul right there. They should have did different little grip pads right there too. But anyways, man, everything goes to the right as always. So we're gonna do the review right here on this right shoe. As you know, this is all mesh material. You have like patent leather right here on this pod. Just a little color contrast right there. This is the wolf gray. This is like a lighter gray right here. As you can see, you have the square, triangle, X, circle on here. These are all on the PlayStation controller. This flap, do it? No, it's just there, but you have the little 2.5 hint right there. It does, this strap don't come off. Don't come off, just a little extra hint on the shoe. And these technically is the tools, they just added the strap. So it's actually the exact same shoe. Just as you take the strap off, it's the two. But you know, whatever. And of course you have the blue Nike swoosh right here. You have the patent leather with the PlayStation controller buttons on there. You have George name with the pull tab. The patent leather goes all the way around. You have the red swoosh right here on this midsole. And these are all hints of the PlayStation logo. So you have a red swoosh, a blue swoosh, a green swoosh, and a yellow swoosh. They're all for the PlayStation logo. Nike Zoom air unit inside. This is the one with the Paul George logo, and as you know, if you press the button, it does light up. You press it again, it'll like pulse. Then you press it again, it turns all the way off. In the inside, you have that Galaxy vibe in the inside with Paul George signature, not signature, but logo in the inside. The bottom, the logo, translucent ice ice baby bottom. You have this little grip pod right here. These is fucking fire, bro. And on this one, you know, everything is basically the same except you have the yellow swoosh on the midsole, and you have the green swoosh right here on that patent leather, and you have, of course, the PlayStation logo right there. And in the inside of this one, Galaxy vibe with the PlayStation insole. And I will be turning the lights off so you can actually see the shoes glow. You have the swoosh right there too as well. Lace system. Oh, I like that too. On the ankles of the shoe, you have that blue. You have the red right there. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be, yep, yellow and green. I like the way they did that. So with the swoosh being green and yellow on here, they put the blue and the red on this shoe, and with the shoe and with the swoosh being red and blue on here, they put yellow and green. That's real dope. Have a little satin vibe right here too as well on the little sock liner. Nice little cushion in the inside. Yeah, these is dope. Now I'm finna go ahead and turn the light off real quick so y'all can see these glow in the dark. And actually, a lot of people don't know. I seen somebody do it on YouTube, but a lot of people don't know that the bottoms actually glow in the dark as well. So I'm finna turn off the lights and let y'all see that. Yes, these are the bottoms. I was just warming this one up. This is the bottom of the shoe right here. This is the bottom pod. I don't know if the logo, but the pods glow in the dark. I was just warming this one up so you can see it a little better. Let me warm this one up a little bit. There you go. The bottom of the pods glow in the dark. Now I don't know if the logo glows. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna say it do, but I know the pods definitely. Okay, the logo don't glow, but the pods on the bottom, the grip pods, glows in the dark. Okay, now I'm about to go into the tongue of the shoe, the part everybody psyched about. This is the PlayStation logo. I'm about to do it one at a time. This is the PlayStation logo. As you can see, the PlayStation logo don't really show as much as the first ones. Don't really show as much, but you can still see it. But the inside of it glows a lot. But there's the PlayStation logo, still dope. You click it again, it kind of pulsates. It pulses. You can see it's blinking like it's in like standby mode. Then you click it one more time and it turns off. This is the Paul George logo one. You click that, you can see that one. Shine bright like a diamond. Yes, this one. That's the one. And as you can see, it's vice versa. This one don't really shine as much in the inside of the shoe because it shines so much on the outside. Same thing, you click that. It's like in standby mode, it's pulsing. Then you click it again, turns off. Let me turn back on these light things, man. Ooh wee, motherfucking camera showing me red. Hold up, it's starting to fix itself. And yeah, man, That's the shoe, Paul George, on the back of the heels. And don't forget, man, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.
Take from PMG, boy, that shit dead.